2 here today. I just want to make this quick video. I'm trying to pick a good color for Monica, and I have some samples here. So yeah, I can make my mind, but I'm between 2 colors and I have 5 samples to choose from. So this was the first one. It's a blue, it's a matte blue. I like this very much, but it's not glossy, and I really want glossy, because see how it is shiny. I like the shiny thing. When you see a car and shiny, it's like it's different. There's this blue, there is like between a purple and blue is a chameleon color. You see some parts are darker, some parts are lighter. It's accordingly to the light. It's pretty cool, but the same problem, right? It's not glossy also. Then I have this one. It is kind of glossy, but yeah, I think it's the same as this one, right? It's like a teal color. Then I have this one. This one is pretty cool. It's like a metallic bluish. There's the name of the color, I just don't remember. And you know, if you look this way, is this color. This is not a chameleon though, it's just how the color reacts to the light. So I like that. I want to go that color. And this was the last one that arrived, and this is a normal white, right? It's like a pearl white. But if you look in different lights, it's kind of gold. See? Then you look this way, it's just white with like some hint of gold. Here, normal. And then you start moving, you see the gold. So I think the car would be very, very cool with that one. What do you think?
You can do it, and you will get there. You can do it.